Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a transition in Adobe Rush. I'm going to go over to scissors on the left hand side to show you how you create a split. So I've created a split there, already got a split on the timeline. So I'm going to go up to the lightning bolt up on the top right hand side, third one down, and then go to transitions. You've got various transitions there. So I've lengthened the time duration of the transition. Now I'm going to play the transition so you can watch it. So we've got a slide transition on the video, going from the scene of the canal to Banbury town. Gonna get there in a minute. There you go. So I've got Adobe Rush videos coming out all the time, so please look at the playlist on the end to watch other Adobe Rush tutorials.